Bonjour. Regular, nerdy, ER verbs in the present tense. Audio practice. Close your eyes and use your ears to improve your French listening skills. That way, you will better understand spoken French. We'll do 5 sentences at a time. First, I'll read them in French. Leave a gap for you to think about what they mean. We'll do all 5, and then we'll do it the other way around, from English into French. Take your time, pause if you need to. Allons-y. C'est parti. Let's get going. Numéro 1. Vous visitez le Louvre aujourd'hui? Vous visitez le Louvre aujourd'hui? Are you visiting the Louvre today? Numéro 2. Il regarde le foot ce soir? Il regarde le foot ce soir? Is he watching the football tonight? Numéro 3. Réservons une table d'abord. Réservons une table d'abord. Let's reserve a table first. Numéro 4. De quoi elle parle? De quoi elle parle? What is she talking about? Numéro 5. Laisse-moi tranquille! Laisse-moi tranquille! Leave me in peace! D'accord. The other way around. De l'anglais en français, from English into French. Number 1. Using vous. Are you visiting the Louvre today? Are you visiting the Louvre today? Vous visitez le Louvre aujourd'hui? Vous visitez le Louvre aujourd'hui? So there's no amming and ising with the present tense. In English we say, are you visiting? The French say, you visit the Louvre today? Number 2. Is he watching the football tonight? Is he watching the football tonight? Il regarde le foot ce soir? Il regarde le foot ce soir? Okay, so once again, no ising and numbing and damming and daring. It's not is watching in French, it's he watches the foot ce soir, tonight. Number 3. Let's reserve a table first. Let's reserve a table first. Réservons une table D'abord. Réservons une table. D'abord. Whenever you want to say let's, as in let us do something, in French you use the verb, the nous form of the verb, which will end in ons. But you do not say the nous. You just say réservons. You do not say nous réservons for let's. You use the nous form without saying nous. So réservons is let's reserve. And that works for all verbs when you want to say let's. Number 4. What is she talking about? What is she talking about? De quoi elle parle? De quoi elle parle? You could also say elle parle de quoi? So de means many things, of, about, from. About what or of what does she speak? No umming, ising, ahring for the present tense in French. Number 5. Using tu. Leave me in peace. Leave me in peace. Laisse-moi tranquille. Laisse-moi tranquille. Très bien. Excellent. Well done. You may need to do this several times. Take your time. There is a PDF of this. You can read through it at the same time if that helps, but also get used to doing it without any visual cues, without reading, which is how it will be when you speak to French people. They will not be holding up flashcards of what they're saying. And peu à peu, your listening skills will improve. Little by little, you will get better at listening to spoken French by doing this sort of exercise. Bravo! We'll do the next 5 la prochaine fois. Next time. Merci.